Hello everybody! My name is Margaret and I am the manager at the Northern Rockies Museum in Hinton. The library staff and I work together to create the time capsule kits that you are using right now. And I'm here to give you a little bit of advice about time capsules and tell you some stories about the artifacts we have at the museum. First, a question for you. Why are you making your time capsule? Well, it's to help preserve the memories of what you and your family and your life were like in February 2022, right? The objects you put into your time capsule are going to help you remember this time. But what if I told you that you're probably going to forget things? And what if I told you that sometimes objects survive time, but they can only tell us very short stories because their big stories have been forgotten? Let me give you a couple of examples from the museum.
These are two baseball uniforms from Hinton teams. We think they were found in somebody's attic, and they're made out of a wool material that's a little bit scratchy, which is pretty different from baseball uniforms today.
But that's all we know about these uniforms. We don't know who wore them. We don't know when they were used. We don't know how many people they had on their team, and we don't know how many games they won. It's a really good thing we have these at the museum because they tell us a good short story about baseball in Hinton. But it would be better if the story were a little longer. Now, I'm going to show you an object that tells a longer story.
This is a chain that's carved out of a single piece of wood. It was made by a man named Albert who worked making railway ties at the Hinton station. He gave the chain to one of his co-workers. Later in his life, Albert owned a sawmill along the river near where Kelly Road is today. So you see, this chain tells us a longer story. It tells us about a man named Albert who liked to carve wood. It tells us about the kinds of jobs people used to have. And it tells us that there used to be a sawmill along the river near Kelly Road. It's really amazing when objects can tell us longer stories like this one can.
I hope that the objects you put in your time capsule will be able to tell a bigger story. That's why we made this sheet for you. It's got spaces for you to write down a little bit of information about the objects you put in your time capsule so you can tell your future self what your life is like right now. If you want to make your time capsule a little bigger, come and see me at the museum on Saturday, February 19th or Monday, February 21st. I'll be able to show you the station where Albert worked, show you the uniforms and the chain in person, and give you a postcard for your time capsule. And if you can't come see me this weekend, that's okay. Come and see me anytime. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful family day.